Hey guys, it's Mr. McGuire. I just want to walk you through this process on how we get into Adobe. It's changed a little bit, so it was formerly known as Adobe Spark. Now it's Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So click on that link right there. If you notice on the bottom right, I've got my logo that we are going to create right now. There's several things like the different types of functions you can use. So what I'm going to do is we're going to click sign in. At that point, when you sign in, you're going to make sure you log into Google with your school address, email address, if you will. And then if you notice my school email is right there, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to choose Enterprise ID. So from here on out, that is how you sign into your Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Again, it's kind of a newer version of what we're doing. So today, what we're going to do when we create our logo, there's a lot of different things you can choose with this new format. It's a lot more creative. There's a lot of things you can do with it. I'm pretty excited about the change. So you're going to click on plus here in a minute, but what I'm doing is I'm kind of showing you some of the functions you can do in this case. So you're going to click on plus and then custom size graphic to start your logo and choose popular. And then at that point, we're going to click on the square. And after that, choose next. Okay, so plus, popular, square, and then choose next. So at this point, you can see on the left where you can choose the logos that are pre-fabricated if you choose to do that. Now you can do yours originally. Again, on all this on Adobe, these are all stock footage where you can be using these for your project. So take some time right now and look through these to see which one you want. I'm going to pause it and give you about 2 or 3 minutes to do that now. Okay, so what I've done is I've just chosen a basic stock one option here, and I'm going to use that to create my name with M. And you're going to notice on the right where you can add shapes and you can do all these different types of things. So take a moment. I'm going to go mute where you all can watch the process. The good thing about it is you can change the color scheme, which we are going to discuss a little bit more about complementary colors. Like for example, in this case, if you notice, I'm using the Crawford green, and the Crawford green, we'll talk about Hex Colors, H-E-X. The hex color for Crawford green that we'll talk about quite a bit in this class is 00B050. So the great thing about Adobe Creative Cloud Express is it's kind of a bridge to the Creative Cloud suite that we have in the iMacs that we use in class as you go through the media arts programs. So you're going to learn a whole lot about Adobe Creative Cloud Express in this class and do a lot of different things. So if you notice here, I'm choosing some of the functions on the right. You can change the font, you can change the size. In this case, I'm going to duplicate using the duplicate tool because I felt like I need to put McGuire above it and then media below it. So you can change your text, whatever you want it to say. And that's one positive change that they've made with Adobe. Again, for those who've used Adobe before, it was formerly known as Adobe Spark Post. Now it's called Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Okay, so when we're done with the project and when you finalize your design and you got what you want, we're going to download it. And if you notice here on the top right, you click download, and I'm going to choose the JPEG option, and I'm going to choose the transparent option. The reason I'm doing that is because you see how I've opened it up. The transparent option will allow you to actually make this a logo like you see on the bottom right of my screen that has been a part of this video project the whole time. The whole purpose of our logo process is to brand what you're doing. Okay, so the next step, we're going to go back to our Canvas page in our assignments. And remember, we went over this. So you'll click on our Canvas page and choose assignments. And under assignments, you will see and actually I'm going to create this so you can actually see this process, the Adobe. So while I create this, I'm going to choose the student view to kind of give you an idea of how to submit this. So all you have to do is watch this video to be able to submit and be successful. So this is a part of my check. I will also check our success criteria as well and review those at the end of the demonstration. Okay, so the project's create your own logos. You're going to go to that assignment and click submit assignment, and then you're going to upload the file that we just downloaded. On your Chromebook, you'll notice it under recents. Remember, we downloaded as a transparent file. I'm going to choose that file right here, click on it, hit OK, and then I'm going to submit the assignment. And at that point is when I can go in Canvas to grade your assignment.